welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. We have guests today in the studio. These are my girls, y'all. This is Autumn.
Hey.
You all have seen her on a previous video. And this is Angelina.
Hey.
You all have seen her on a previous video. Say hi, girls. You did
Hey.
Today, guys, we are going to be making some whipped coffee. My daughter sent this to me in an Instagram DM, and I thought this was so neat. So I tried it out, I tasted it, and it is so yummy, and I want to share it with you guys because I think that you guys are going to love it too, but we're going to make it keto style. So let's get into today's video, and since my daughter sent me the recipe, she's here, and she's going to help us to do this today. Right, Autumn?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so let's get into it.
I missed my...
All right, Autumn, so let's tell the good peoples what we're gonna need, the ingredients we're gonna need to make this whipped coffee.
Yes. So, first you're going to need instant coffee, of course. Yeah. We're going to need monk fruit sweetener, and this is 2 tablespoons of all of this. Monk fruit sweetener, because we're making it keto. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of almond milk. We chose vanilla almond milk because we like vanilla almond milk the best. And then you're also going to need 2 tablespoons of hot water.
Now with the almond milk, because it's keto, you're gonna wanna use unsweetened almond milk. Now this almond milk we have is sweetened because that's all I have, so we're gonna have to use it. But to make this fully keto, unsweetened almond milk, or you use coconut milk or oat milk, what did you use?
I used oat milk, and I also used coconut sugar instead of regular sugar.
Okay, so I don't think we can use the oat milk. I don't think so. But almond milk, cashew milk, unsweetened would be perfect for this, okay? So let's get right on into it, guys. All right, everybody, so we're going to need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of a sweetener, and today we're using monk fruit. Then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now there are various ways you can do this, guys. We're gonna do our whipping in a blender cup, okay? Now the ones with the little wire balls, those are the best, but this is the type I have with the little like strainer thingy right there. But it also, it accomplishes the same thing that the wire ball does. But I think the wire ball helps this process a little bit faster. So we're gonna shake it up, but you can also use a whisk or even a blender to get yours nice and whipped. And so we're gonna put the top on it like that, and we're gonna start shaking. All right, so we're shaking. She's shaking. This process is fun.
Shake, shake,
like
little
some water.
water right there.
She's shaking. Yep.
I thought my arms were flabby.
They are still. My turn.
Yeah, because my arms was tired.
Ugh. So now we're gonna stop and see what it looks like. Let's see if it's nice and whipped up. Ooh, it's nice and whipped. See that? I think I want it a little thicker.
Yeah, me too.
So we're gonna continue to shake.
She is. You seem vicious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressing like wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye. Pull up on you, baby. Don't you? You got 24 seconds and it started right now. Shot clock.
These young people. All right, let's look.
That's nice and thick.
Nice and thick. All right, let's put this all together. so our whipped coffee is ready and it smells so good.
It does. I love the smell of coffee.
Yes, so we're getting ready to taste. Cheers.
I like it with the monk fruit sweetener.
Yeah, and the monk fruit
This
really
is
good.
Yeah.
Monk fruit, to me, tastes more like real, well, I want to say monk fruit is real, but tastes more like the regular sugar that's not good for us. But of course, monk fruit is a wonderful alternative to that sugar and is so good in this. This is delicious.
This is perfect.
Mm-hmm.
For real. I'm dripping.
Yeah, this is good, guys. Definitely try it. But try it with the unsweetened almond milk. If you get the sweetened, it's gonna be good. This is really, really good. Really, really, really good. So my daughter, since this is your first time on Sincerely Legenia as one of my cooking guests.
Is it?
It's one of my cooking guests. Go ahead and let's tell the people a little bit about yourself, sweetheart.
Oh.
You want to learn a little bit about my baby?
Tell them what?
Okay, so she doesn't live at home anymore. Tell them what you do.
A few things. I am a data analyst for an influencer marketing company. I have my own online business. So if you've seen my mom with a whole bunch of excess energy drinks, they're lifesavers. They're healthy for you, and I love them. I drink them like sodas with my meals and things. And I'm also in grad school, getting my Master's of Science in Business Leadership.
Look at God! Look at God! Hey!
2 weeks. I'm so excited.
Yes.
And besides that, shoot, I love to shop and hang out with friends and work out.
Yep, said I'm really, really proud of her. Yeah, she's going to be getting her master's degree next month, and just really proud of the woman that she has become. And I tell you, she gave me a lot of sleepless nights. Okay? But when the word of God says, train your child up in the way that he should go, and when they are old, they will not depart from it, the word of God is true, because she has become what I've always dreamed for her to be, and then some. So God is awesome. To God be the glory. Well, sweetheart, thank you so much for being on my little channel.
Thanks for having me.
And thank you so much for bringing us this fabulous recipe. I do not know. You guys know I like to always give the creator of whatever recipes I use, I always like to acknowledge them. So I'm going to find out the creator of this recipe, and I'll make sure I put the link to the original recipe and the creator in my description box. But whoever you are, wherever you are, thank you for this. It is amazing. It is fabulous. And this has really just made my day. Well, guys, thank y'all for being with me on my channel. Thank you for welcoming my baby. And I will see you guys the next time. Remember to like, to comment, and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new recipe, because I've got some good ones coming this week, some really, really good ones. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed and prosperous day. See you guys next time. Bye.